So good evening all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay. Good evening. So in the last class actually we have discussed up to 16 problems on complex numbers. So now rest of the problems let us complete today. So this session is very useful for even Eamcet as well as Mset students. Okay. Right. So right. Kirtana, Swati, Varsha, Balu, Venkat, Divya, Sai Teja, Upal Sai Teja, Swati Singh, Santosh Veera, Bhaskar Gaun, Prasanna Hani, Kartik. Okay. Kumudavalli, Cheti, Akshita, Rupa Reddy, Kovel Anant. You might be new, I think so. See, on 26 I have conducted that is the Zoom meeting, not a classes. All of you remember, classes will be continued through YouTube itself only, but I will not continue the classes through Zoom classes. Zoom is only meant for the interaction between you and with your parents. With your parents. Okay, I will check. I will check. Wait now, I will check. Right, exactly correct. Now it's okay. Okay. Now, am I audible to you all? Am I audible? Am I audible? Saida Begum, when Mset will be conducted? So that's definitely it will be conducted. It may be in the month of August second week or September first week. But definitely, okay. Now, Varsha, you seem to be new. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. Hemastri Kuttapelli, Varadi Padma. Thank you. Anurag Dheeraj, Angur Dheeraj. Sorry. Okay, thank you, thank you. Still, we have 6 minutes time because actually our schedule time is 7:30. Mahalakshmi, Tirupati. Okay. Sagar Batula. No, I don't take any Zoom classes. No, never, never. Only YouTube classes. It is meant for all. Even I don't charge anything. Not Zoom classes. That's the Zoom meeting. I have given clear instruction. I sent the Google form also. Only 76 persons registered, but out of 76, only I think 20 to 25 members attended. Okay. Mahalakshmi, we need to wait because it's 25, 7:25, 7:30 our classes. Yes, absolutely correct. Santosh Veera. There is a class tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning there will be a class tomorrow. So now it is actually July, August. That means actually I will be somewhat busy with other activities. So during these days, I may be taking one class or two classes. You may expect it. So that I will intimate you. Don't worry. Fine, fine, Santosh. Okay, it's okay. Okay, in the month of August, one more meeting I will conduct in between before 15th, August 15th. Then who have not been attended actually during on 26th, then they can attend. A mock test, that actually mock test tomorrow I will conduct. Tomorrow I will conduct. What would be our next lesson, sir? Can I know? I don't know. You need to decide. You need to decide. I think most of the topics have been completed. I think almost 90 to 95% syllabus has been completed. Weightage of Eamcet. Okay, Balu. Definitely, I will conduct one session, a particular session on for Eamcet examination strategy through YouTube itself only. Okay, probability. Nothing is there after probability. Tomorrow class timings. Okay, you need to wait. I will inform you by 7:30, 8:30 today. Tomorrow. Okay, Govind. Prasanna Hani. Vectors. Okay, it's correct. Okay, you list out all the topics and you uh, just forward through the WhatsApp so that I will check it once again. Thank you. Permutations already completed. What is there? Nothing. Yeah. Good evening, Sumant. Good evening. Fine. What about you? Okay. Complex numbers. Part 5. Part 5. Yes, Govind. I know. Ishwar Chandra. Narla. Okay, let us start now. Question number 17. If Z1 equals to -1 and Z2 equals to I, then the value of the value of arg z1 upon z2 equals to first option pi by 2, second option minus pi by 2, third is pi upon 3, fourth option minus pi upon 3. Now I have sent the link to all the members through respective emails. Okay, z1 equals to minus 1, z2 is equal to I, then the value of arg z1 upon z2 we need to find out. First, all of you listen carefully. First, in this case, we need to express z1 as polar form or mod amplitude form, even as z2 also, because that will be useful for other problems too. So first let us do it now. So z1 equals to minus 1. This can be expressed like this. Cos pi is cos 180 minus 1 plus I sin pi, whereas sin pi is 0. So now z2 equals to I. This we can write cos pi by 2, whose value is 0, plus I sin pi by 2. So all of you once again just look at on the screen. Z1, the mod amplitude of Z1 is cos pi plus I sin pi. The mod amplitude form of imaginary unit is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This we need to remember it better. So that means here arg Z1 means pi. Okay, am I correct? What is arg Z2? Yes, you are correct, that is pi by 2. Now let us come to our problem part. The given expression need to be evaluated. What is the given expression? Yes, given expression is argument of z1 upon z2. So by formula, argument of z1 upon z2 can be written as arg of z1 minus arg of z2. Am I correct? So pi minus pi by 2. So now take 2 LCM, 2 times pi minus pi. So pi upon 2 is the value. Which is the right option? Yes, first option is the right option. Right. All of you understood now? This you need to remember. This is very important. This is important. Sirisha Reddy, you might be new. You need to subscribe. Omkara Shish, yourself also. 18th question. The mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form of minus root 3 plus I is first option 2 cis of 5 pi upon 6. Second, 2 cis of minus 5 pi upon 6. Third option is 2 cis minus pi by 6. Fourth option 2 cis of pi by 6. So now we need to write mod amplitude form or polar form or trigonometric form. That means modulus first we need to find out, amplitude or argument of minus root 3 plus I we need to find out. After that we need to put cos theta plus I sin theta form. Understood now? So that means let us go for the solution. So R equals to mod Z, whose value is equal to modulus of minus root 3 plus I. This is square root of real part square. 3 root 3 square plus 1 square 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2. But actually this refers to, this will be Z, we can write like this. Z is equal to minus root 3 comma 1. It lies in the actually second quadrant. It belongs to second quadrant. Now therefore we need to find out argument theta. Theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse of mod b by a. This is pi minus tan inverse of, see this will be what, 1 by minus root 3, mod is there, so you can write plus 1 upon root 3. This will be 60 degrees, pi minus pi by 6. So 6 is the LCM, 6 pi minus pi, whose value is 5 pi by 6. Enough. Modulus is known and amplitude is known. Modulus is R, theta is known. Therefore, minus root 3 plus I can be put in the form of R times cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is nothing but R cis theta. So R value is equal to 2 cis of 5 pi by 6. This is the answer. So yes, absolutely correct. Option 1 is the right option. Option 1. Nineteen. 19th question. Square root of minus 8 minus 6i equals to right. First option plus or minus 1 minus 3i. Second option plus or minus 1 minus 2i. Third option plus or minus 1 plus 3i. Fourth, none of the above. Okay, so now in order to find out actually the square root of a complex number, first we need to find out mod z is very important and a value is very important. A value is actually here in this complex number minus 8. So this minus 8, you concentrate on this one. And now the solution, let us say like this. Z equals to minus 8 minus 6i. Here a equals to minus 8. Now find mod z. Mod z is equal to root over minus 8 square 64. 6 square is 36. 100 root 100. Root 100 is equal to 10. So first now let us find out. X. X is equal to mod z plus a upon 2 root. What is mod z? 10. 10 plus of minus 8. 2 by 2. 1. Root 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. Y equals to mod z minus a upon 2. under root 10 minus of minus 18 by 2 root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So now we have therefore square root of z equals to plus or minus, here we have minus sign, x minus iy. So that equal to plus or minus, x stands for 1, y stands for 3. So 1 minus 3i plus or minus 1 minus 3i. Sir, please reply, sir. When will you able to keep measures of dispersion? YJNTP, you are new to my class. Okay. First option is the right option. Understood now? Why how? Next. Question number 20. The value of root of 15 plus 8i plus root of 15 minus 8i is equal to first option 15, second option is 8, third option is 23, fourth option is 7. So this is also Seshu Rao. Who are you? Where are you from? Right. The value of square root of 15 plus 8i plus square root of 15 minus 8i is equal to. So that means first of all we need to find out now mod z. Mod z equals to modulus of 15 plus 8i. So root over 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64. Is very interesting factor. Square root of 289. That is the actually 17 square. You get 17. Here a value will be 15. This is very important now. Now the given expression can be written. Given expression. So we have shortcut. Given expression. Square root of a plus ib plus square root of a minus ib is a real number, you will get it. That is equal to square root of 2 times of mod z plus a. This you will get it. So therefore now the given expression becomes 2 times mod z. Mod z is equal to how much? 17 plus 15 under root 32 into 2 root of 64. Root of 64 is equal to how much? 8. 8 is our desired answer. That means second option. Okay, Vaijayanti. Okay, I will do. Good evening, Suma. No problem. Revati, Prasanna, Puliganti. You are new, I think. Mandam Divya. Okay. See, if you have any doubt, actually better whatever suggestion in the comment section, just you give the suggestion, I will go through them. Right. So 20th question we have completed. Right. Twenty-first question number 21st question. Okay, right. If n is a multiple, n is a multiple of 3, then omega to the power of n plus omega to the power of 2n, where omega square are the cube roots of, okay, Baddam Ishwar Reddy, I have seen, actually I observed your comments also. You asked the typical problems. Slow, wait, typical problems will come definitely. No problem, no problem, no problem. Omega to the power of n plus omega to the power of 2n equals to, first option 0, second option is 1, third option is -1, and fourth option is 2. That means here we have the choice to select the value of n. Because n is being a multiple of 3, so let us think over what are the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9 and so on. So that means you can take n is equal to 3 and substitute in the given expression. So take n is equal to 3, substitute in this expression and find out the value. So let n equals to 3. Now the given expression becomes omega raised to n plus omega raised to 2n. Substituting omega cube plus omega power 6. See, we have omega cube is equal to 1. So that means this can be written omega cube plus omega cube whole square. So 1 plus 1 square. Obviously 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, fourth option is the right option. Omega cube plus omega to the power of 6. Omega cube itself is the 1, means being a 6 power is the multiple of actually 3, definitely will get 1. For example, see, omega to the power of n equals to 1 if n is a multiple of 3. That means if n is exactly divisible by 3, you get 1. This also we can note. Thank you, Selvarazu. Right, let us go for next problem. Second problem. Sorry, not 22nd. What is the problem number? 22nd. Yes, 22nd. 22nd. Correct. 22nd. One upon 2 plus omega minus 1 upon 1 plus omega plus 1 upon, this is 2 plus omega, 1 plus 2 omega equals to, first option omega, second option omega square, third option is a square plus b square. How could you get it? Okay, fourth option 0. Right. So now it's a actually IPE question itself only. You might have solved. Go back and come, Padma. Okay. It's IPE problem only, but you may get in the examination also sometimes. Give an expression equals to 1 upon 2 plus omega can be written 1 plus omega minus 1 upon 1 plus omega This we can write 1 plus omega write down. See, we have one property, 1 plus omega square equals to 0. That means 1 plus omega equals to, here you can write 1 minus omega square, 1 plus omega minus 1 by omega square. This is plus 1 upon, actually 1 plus omega is minus omega square, omega minus omega square. Right now, this we can write to 1 upon 1 minus omega square minus 1 upon omega square plus 1 upon, here omega common, 1 minus omega. So now LCM, omega into 1 minus omega square. 1 minus omega square cancel, we have omega. Here omega, better omega square you take it now, omega square cancel, we have 1 minus omega square plus, you will be getting like this, omega 1 minus omega square factors, 1 minus omega into 1 plus omega you will be getting. So now let us simplify the numerator, omega square minus 1 plus omega square plus omega square. Okay. Let us check it now. Omega square cancel, 1 minus omega square plus omega square. Right. Okay, I will simplify this one. Better directly we shall do it. Okay, let me explain once again. Wait. Only it is major, actually only simplification only here. Right, let me write once again. This is 2 plus omega, right? This is 1 plus omega, 1 plus 2 omega. Here see, 1 plus omega equals to minus omega square. This we can write 1 upon 1 plus omega minus 1 upon, this is minus omega square. I have forgotten this one in the previous case. 1 upon 1 plus omega square. Now this 1 plus omega, here 1 plus omega replaced by minus omega square. So now we get 1 upon 1 minus omega square plus 1 upon omega square, 1 upon, this will be omega square minus omega. This is omega, sorry, omega only, this is omega only. Right. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Omega minus omega square means omega common, 1 minus omega. Right. So now LCM is omega square into 1 minus omega square. So here omega square plus 1 minus omega square. Here plus omega into 1 plus omega. Let us simplify. Omega square cancel. We have 1 plus omega square upon omega into 1 minus omega square. It's very interesting factor. Numerator is nothing but 0. 0 by something is 0. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Because I need to explain. Understood now? Right. All of you look at the screen and check your options. Whether I did correct or not. Correct? Thank you. Excuse me. Okay. Generally, I don't remember all the problems. Any shortcut means I explained this method only. This is simplification. We don't have any shortcut for this one. 23. The value of -1 plus root of -3 upon 2 raised to 26 plus -1 root of -3 upon 2 whole to the power of 26 is first option is -1, second option is 1, third option is 0, fourth option is 2. Yes. So now first -1 plus root of -3. Root of -3 is, you remember, root of -3 is root of 3i square, whose value is root 3i. That means this is here omega equals to -1 plus root 3i upon 2. This is one of the cube roots of unity. Other one is omega square -1 minus root 3i by 2. Now the given expression becomes very simple now. Omega raised to 26 plus omega square raised to 26. This is omega raised to 26 plus omega raised to 52. You asked the shortcut. Now I explain the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? Divide 26 by 3. Check the remainder. 3 6 ja 18. How much you will be getting now here? 3 8 ja 24. Yes, 24 times 2. You will be getting 2. Divide 52 3. Check the remainder. 3 1 ja 3, 22, 3 7 ja 21. So 1. That means now it is equivalent to omega square plus omega. We know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So that means omega plus omega square equals to omega plus omega square is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 1. So now obviously you get -1 is the desired answer. So first option is the right option. So that means actually depending upon the problem we have the shortcuts. For any problem we don't have the shortcut. Here I explained the shortcut. So you check it now. Right. Shall I move to next question? Okay, you give anybody the technical suggestions, you can give it, no problem. 24. 24. Okay. Previous problem is very simple actually. That is, you watch complex number part 1 and part 2, you will get an idea, Nana. Already I have discussed so many shortcuts there. Sumant, watch complex numbers part 1 and part 2. Otherwise tomorrow I will discuss, don't worry. Just put in the comment box. Because I need to discuss even third problem and 11th problem also. Tomorrow I will discuss all the problems. Then after that I will switch over to the next. Tomorrow morning actually 1.5 hour session. So that 10 minutes will be spent for your clarifications. If 1 plus omega to the power of 7 equals to a plus b omega, then a comma b equals to first option 1 comma 1, second option 1 comma 2, third option is 2 comma 1, fourth option 2 comma 2. Okay, this is the question. Screen is not visible. I will check once again. Wait, all of you. I will check. Yes, divisible by 3. That all I have discussed. Okay, Prasanna, how did you get it 1 comma 1? Surya Narayana, how did you get it? But I didn't get an idea. Could you help me? Could you help me? How did you get it? Yes, absolutely correct. Right now, since 1 plus omega square equals to 0, that implies 1 plus omega can be written as minus omega square. So that's why now this becomes minus omega square all to the power of 7 equal to a plus b omega. This is minus 1 to the power of 7, odd number. You get minus, but omega to the power of 2 into 7 is 14 equals to a plus b omega. Now we need to check the divisibility rule. That means now divide this power 14 with 3. If you divide 14 with 3, it leaves a remainder 3 4 are 12, leaves a remainder 2. Am I correct now? This will be, you can write now, minus omega square. Minus omega square is equal to a plus b omega. But here one more interesting factor, minus omega square means 1 plus omega. Again this is equal to 1 plus omega. Comparing both sides, a equals to 1, omega coefficient is also 1. Therefore, a equals to 1, b equals to 1. We need to find out the order pair. Order pair is a comma b, whose value is 1 comma 1. First option. Right. I think all of you understood this problem. Yes, that means 1 plus omega is being equated to a plus b omega, so that we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So a comma b obviously becomes 1 comma 1. That is the our desired answer. Right. Okay, Ishwar, you joined late. Next 25th. 25th question. If modulus of 3z minus 2 equals to 5, then the locus of z is first option 9x square plus 9y square plus 12x minus 21 equals to 0. Second option 9x square plus 9y square minus 12x minus 21 equals to 0. Third, 9x square plus 9y square plus 12x plus 21 equals to 0. Fourth option, 9x square minus 9y square plus 12x minus 21 equals to 0. Yes. So those who have joined new today itself only, better watch complex number part 1, part 2, part 3. You will understand better. I have discussed all the concept there itself only. Just now we have been practicing the problems. This is the practicing session. Solution now. So let us say z equals to x plus iy. Just like in locus we say that x comma y point, z is equal to x plus iy. Now 3z minus 2 equals to 3 times of x plus iy, 3x minus 3iy minus 2. This is real part. 3x minus 2 plus 3iy. The modulus of this complex number is equal to 5. So that means we need to find out like this. Modulus of 3x minus 2 plus iy equals to 5. Modulus means square root of real part square. 3x minus 2 whole square plus imaginary part. Y square is equal to 5. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides and we get 3x minus 2 whole square means 9x square plus 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 12x plus 4 plus y square equals to 25. So let us rearrange the terms. 9x square plus y square minus 12x, 4 minus 25 minus 21 equals to 0. So now choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Yes, correct. 3iy, that's only I need to check. 3iy, 3y whole square. That will be, yes, 9y square. 9y square. Okay, now you check it now. All of you check it now once again. Option 2, yes. Option 2 is the right option. Yes, I ought to take here 3iy. I have taken IY, so I need to rectify it now. Plus 3IY. Am I correct? So 3y whole square. Everything is correct now. Right. Twenty-sixth problem. 26th problem. If modulus of z minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5, then the locus of z is first one x square plus y square plus x minus y equals to 0. Second option x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Third option x square plus y square plus 3x minus 2y equals to 0. Fourth option 3x square plus 3y square minus 22x plus 35 equals to 0. All of you check the question, all of you check the question. Yes, option 2 is the right option. Option 2. Right. Solution. Let z equals to x plus iy, z minus 2 minus 3i equals to x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i. Now real part minus 2, real part x minus 2, this can be written here I common plus y minus 3 of 5. What is given? Its modulus is 5. So modulus means, and squaring directly we can write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5 square. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9, 13 minus 25 equal to 0. So therefore, what is the answer? You get it now. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Yes, second one is the option. Right. But we have the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? If z minus z dot equal to r, then the locus of z is a circle. Z is a circle whose center at z naught. Z0 means it may be in the form of h comma k. So this is Z0. Z0 means actually here 2 plus 3i, and radius r. So that we can find out now. Here see, directly we can check here. This can be written z minus of 2 plus 3i. Am I correct now? Center is equal to 2 comma 3. Here see h comma k Z0. This is the radius. R is equal to 5. Now equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and radius r we need to find out. So that means equation of the circle is given by directly x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. You can find out. Simplification is the rest of the part. Rest of the part. Yes, this is the geometrical applications of the complex numbers. Okay. Right. Understood now? Twenty-seventh question. 27th question. Yes, Mahalakshmi, correct. Suma, correct. Akila, Cheti, Venkateshwar and Arla. Yes, Z0 is equal to 2 plus 3i. The equation, sorry, I have written short form. The equation mod z plus 1 whole square plus mod z minus 1 whole square equal to 2 represents first one, a circle of radius 1 unit, that means unit circle. Second, a straight line, Third, the ordered pair 0 comma 0, that means that is actually point circle. Fourth, parabola. So let us do it now here. So let us say first of all solution, let us follow here. Z is equal to x plus iy. So z plus 1 equals to x plus 1 plus iy. Vice versa, z minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 plus iy. Substitute here. Directly modulus of square, we get like this: x plus 1 square plus y square plus x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 2. X plus 1 whole square plus x minus whole square, that is actually here see, x plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is 2 times x square plus 1 plus 2y square equals to, here 2, sorry, this is 2, dividing by 2, x square plus 1 plus y square equals to 1. So we get x square plus y square equals to 0. This represents a order pair 0 comma 0. Third option. This represents a point circle whose center is at origin and radius is also origin. Because 0 comma 0 will satisfy x square plus y square is equal to 0. Right. Twenty-eight. If real part of z square equal to 2 times real part of z plus 1, then the locus of z is first option x square minus y square plus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Second, x square minus y square minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. Third option, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Fourth option, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. This actually depends upon only the simplification. So first real part of z square we need to find out. So first to find out z square here. Real part of z square equal to real part of z plus 1. First let us find out, say let z is equal to x plus iy. So it is being squared, z square. So x plus iy is going to be squared. You get x square plus I square is x square minus y square plus 2xiy. This is actually imaginary part. You can leave it also, no problem. Next, z plus 1. Z plus 1 is equal to, you get like this, x plus 1 plus iy. Only just focus on this one. X square minus y square is the real part of z square. X plus 1 is the real part of z plus 1. So now let us, as far as problem is concerned so we get real part of z square, x square minus y square, am I correct? 2 times x plus 1. This is x square minus y square minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Yes, you change the fourth option now because options are not there. Fourth option is the right option. I will write here also for our better understanding. Real part of z square is x square minus y square. In this one, real part of z plus 1 equal to x plus 1. All of you might have understood. Right now, 29th problem. 29th problem. So Bojjanki Srinivasu, still we are at 29 only. If you come to the 50, then you can see the level, tough questions. Slowly I will improve. This is actually in children's point of view, that means students' point of view, this is called ladder process. Ladder process means slowly one concept after you need to learn. Otherwise, you cannot memorize all the concepts. That is the psychology of the child psychology. if amp of z minus I equals to pi by 3, then the locus of z, is right, exactly. He might be new to our channel. First option, root 3 times x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. X greater than 0 and y greater than 1. Second option is root 3 times x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Third option, root 3 times x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Fourth, root 3 times x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So amplitude, argument, both are same. Don't get confusion. Argument or amplitude. So that means first of all here see solution. Let us say z equals to x plus iy. Whenever you are asked to find out the locus of z, then you need to focus on x plus iy. So now z minus I equals to x plus iy minus I. This we can write x plus y minus 1 I. So in order to apply direct first quadrant formula, x must be greater than 0, y minus 1 must be greater than, suppose, then amplitude or arg both are same. Amp of z minus I is same as arg of z minus I, whose value is tan inverse of imaginary part. You remember always, imaginary part by real part. So tan inverse of y minus 1 upon x, this you remember. Therefore now let us come to the problem is concerned. Amp of z minus I is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Therefore we get tan inverse of y minus 1 upon x equal to 60 degrees. Pi by 3 means. So y minus 1 upon x equals to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. The cross multiplication takes place. Root 3x equals to y minus 1. Root 3x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. That means first option. I already told you x must be greater than 0. So this must be greater than 0. We get these two conditions. Okay, I hope everybody will understand. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. I hope. So all of you, just you have any doubts, somebody is actually suggesting the tough questions also. You can suggest tough questions under comment section also. No problem. I will go through them. Better, I will get some idea. So what sort of level to be actually increased, that I will decide. Okay, option 1, yes, absolutely correct.